Black+decker BPACT12WT Portable Air Conditioner 12,000 BTU Review 2019. Cool as a cucumber, keeps a room, home, bedroom, apartment, dorm or garage that is approximately 250-300 square feet or 20 x 25 foot room pleasant and comfy during the summer months when the heat sets in. Works in double hung or sliding windows only, no crank windows. Design engineering, vertical motion creates a steady and powerful airflow that provides consistent temperature in any room in the house. Slide-out filter that rinses easily under a faucet for a fresh air feel. 4 caster wheels included for easy movement and compact portability. Backed by top technology, enjoy the simplicity and precision of programmable, electronic controls and the clarity of an LED digital display, and a 24-hour on-off timer in sleep mode. 115 volts, 950 watts and 60 Hz 3-in-1 bucket-less designed cooling unit combines cooling, fan and dehumidification modes with a simple quiet and noiseless operation, approx. 75 decibels on high setting. R410 a refrigerant. What's included? The maximum length of the exhaust hose is 4 feet and 11 inches. Window kit included for easy installation and a manual guide for setup. Bonus, remote control included. Important to note, according to the 2017 DOE testing standard, this unit carries of 6502 cool, but according to the ASHRAE 128 this AC is a 12,000 BTU cool. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.